Hello designers, you're welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to be learning how to pedal or run or use this manual sewing machine. So in case you have this sewing machine or you plan to buy it, it's very easy to use and it doesn't need lights to function. It is manual. So the first thing you need to know is that when you run this machine, when you use your foot to pedal it down there, the pulley, this one I'm using my hand to touch, this round silver iron, which is the pulley, needs to be rolling to the front. It should not roll to the back. If it rolls to the back, it will cut your thread when you're sewing and it won't sew well. So you need to make sure that that pulley is rolling to the front while you are learning and you are trying to use this machine. So that is the first thing you need to know. You put your two legs on the pedal and you keep rolling the pulley on top. So that helps you to feel it. You know how it moves. Don't move your leg, just place your 2 feet on it. Don't move it. Just be rolling the upper one, the pulley on top, the one I was rolling initially. Just be rolling it and feel it. Just keep feeling it. Feel how it moves forward, how it moves backward. Just let the pedal be moving by itself. Let it be going forward and be going backward. That is the secret. That is the main secret. If you don't feel it, you'll be struggling. You notice that some people, they learn how to pedal machine for a week. They are just pressing it until they get it, until they catch it. But I make it very fast for whoever that is learning with me. I'll tell them to feel it. You feel the pedal going forward, you feel it going backward. So that way your body, your brain, your leg knows how the movement feels. So with that, you can now start following the movement. It's like understanding your machine, how it operates. You don't just come there and just start matching because you are seeing people matching. No, you come there, you feel it, you observe, you study it, you see how it moves, you roll it. Then when you know how it operates, then you start moving it. By then, your feet already knows the rhythm. It knows how it moves forward, how it moves backward. Then you can flow. So that's the fastest way to learn it. And in one day my students, they learn it. They grab it. In one day they are already sewing. I'm talking about new students who have never learned before. In one day they start sewing. So this is the fastest way to learn it. Let me know in the comment section the way that you feel is faster for you, the way you learnt yours. If you already know how to use this, let me know in the comment section so that others can learn. But for me, this is very fast. It's tested and proven. Now I'm going to be showing you how to use your 2 feet to pedal the machine or to match the machine. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure one of your leg is lower than the other leg. So whichever foot you think is okay by you, you make sure one is lower, one is higher. You can do it the way I've placed my own. So making one higher, one lower helps to move that pedal, that place that you put your foot, that place that you put your feet. It helps to move it well. It helps to move it well. So you place your feet like this and then you move it like that. So when you want to start, what you will do is you roll the pulley, that silver iron, the round one, you roll it once, then you feel the pedal, either it is going forward or it is going backward. So you feel it when you move it. I'm talking about when you want to start sewing and you want to start moving the machine now. So you turn the pedal. We always turn the pedal forward before we start sewing. So when you turn the pedal forward and you feel the machine, you feel the pedal going to the front, you continue, you start from that front, you press it down to that front and you continue the reading. Or let's assume you want to start and you turn the pulley now and it's going to the back, you press it to the back and you start moving it. So that's the best way to learn this thing and to make it fast. And then you don't use all your leg to pedal, you use your ankle. Use your ankle and your feet, the part of your feet, use it to press it down, and then use your ankle to also move. It's only your ankle that needs to really be moving so that you don't develop pain. You don't use all your legs to move it. So that's the best way to use this machine. Though the first few days, if you're a beginner, the first few days you will feel the pain because you are using your legs to walk. But after that, you will never feel pain again. It will be very sweet and very interesting for you. You won't feel the pain again, except you are overworking yourself. But that first few times that you do this, you might feel the pain because it's your first time using your legs to do this kind of thing. But trust me, if you set your machine well and it's soft, you make sure you oil all the corners, all the moving parts of the leg, you oil it well, and then you make it soft, you will enjoy it. But if your machine is hard, please try to call a machinist to check it for you and they should help you to make it soft. If it's too hard, it's not good. So when it comes to the sitting position, if you are using a stool that does not have a backrest, you need to sit straight. But if you are using a chair like this that has a backrest, you shift forward and you rest your back and then you sew. If the backrest is too low and it won't work, you sit straight. You make sure your back is straight. If you don't want to have back pain, you make sure your back is straight and then you sew. While you're sewing, you don't bend to the front this way. It will give you back pain. So you make sure you sit straight. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to pass thread into your bobbin and your bobbin case. We also call it shuttle and reeler. So I'll be showing you how to pass the thread in the next video. Thanks for watching.